In this video, I'm going to show you how to change chart in Exness mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up any chart, and then you have a few different options. As you can see at the very bottom left, just above the sell button, you have the first option, and if you tap on that candle, you can change your chart type. So you could go from line over here, which looks like this, it's just a line, and you could go into bars. You could also do candles, and then here you could also do hollow candles. So that's completely up to you. Use whichever one you want. And then here next to it, it says 5 minutes or whatever it says. You can change your time frame to whatever you want here, for example, like 1 hour or whatever you want to do. And then you also have the option to add on indicators next to it. Now, up top right, you can also see the cogwheel. If you tap on that, here you have a few additional settings. You can change the chart in the meaning of you're actually putting on different things or putting them off the chart. So for example, you can, of course, change if you want open positions to show on chart or not by tapping on that. If it's a check mark, it's going to show. If there's no check mark, it's not going to show. And you can of course do these for all the things on the list. Now you also have chart preferences, and there you can see you can change the chart from Exness to trading view. You could go and of course change the price source, colors over here. You can of course change colors for candles, hollow candles, bars, and lines. And then here you also have the open order mode, and you can change to whatever you want it to be. So that's basically how to change chart in Exness mobile app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.